You searched for how to buy shares of Greenwave Technology Solutions Inc. Greenwave is a technology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GWAV. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before placing orders. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker GWAV to find the stock. Select the listing that shows Greenwave Technology Solutions Inc. on NASDAQ to locate the correct asset. On the company page, you'll see basic information about Greenwave and a price chart showing recent trading activity. Double-check the name, ticker GWAV, and the exchange to confirm it is the correct stock. To invest, click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to allocate, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, you can place a pending order or wait for the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before it confirms the trade. Once confirmed, your position will appear in the portfolio view. For a quick link to eToro and more resources, check the description below.